You hear? Then make sure tell me say, when I go a rebel salute, me have to take off my shirt. If I don't take off my shirt, then I go back to me.
With the nicest corner we can look at life. I smoke a knife for someone to drink of life.
Alright, box cover Duttyberry here, and I'm downtown at the Rock Hotel. The first time I'm there, you know. I never really plan to do any videoing, but so while I'm here, I'm just gonna take my phone, use my little mic, and get some footage for Uno because I realize I like when I show you these events. So, but there now, this is Rebel Salute 2023 launch. Yeah, this is how I go on backstage. I'm gonna carry now around so they can see the people them who there and a bit of the highlights. Okay, make sure if you're watching, you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. The usual. Alright?
Culture, gender, entertainment, and sports. Can you give her a nice round of applause? Minister, Honorable.
Alright, so I'm here with Minister Babsy Grange at the Rebel Salute launch. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay. Are you looking good too, you know?
Tell me you're always look good.
No, honestly, I want to know, like, who style you because you never drop the ball. You always bring it.
Well, you know, it's a natural thing.
Oh, so you're basically saying that's a gift that you got from your ball.
That's right.
Alright, so I want you to tell me, like, is there any particular artist that you're looking forward to see next year at Rebel Salute?
You know what? I just always love to go to Rebel Salute because I look forward to seeing the veterans.
Yeah.
And I look forward to seeing the new, young, conscious artists. So it's just a nice vibe. As soon as somebody, you match somebody to the person who's told you might say, I'm sorry.
True, yeah, that's the vibe. Everybody looks out for each other.
It's a nice feeling.
We have a host of artists. And as you hear, we have the Herb Curb, where the Herb Curb is not only for rubbing out hand mingle and smoking. The Herb Curb, we will be there to teach you about ganja. You know what I mean?
I'm looking forward to seeing all the names, all the artists who are named tonight. And of course, I have a special closeness to Leroy Sibbles.
Oh yeah. That you said he used to manage.
Excellent songwriter, excellent musician, a great bassist. And he just has a vibe. And although he's one of the pioneers, the voice is still the same.
Excellent artist, icon.
Every man, every woman must live. Jaja give life, live, yeah.
Alright, no, so I have to ask you about this because I know that you're at most of these events. You were at the Burna Boy concert in Kingston, right? So you got to meet him.
Yes.
You know, I didn't want to meet him, I never get to meet him. You could have given me a call or a heads up and sneak me backstage with you.
You should have found me.
That's exactly it, you know. So you actually know his mother personally?
Yeah, his mother is really, actually, she's a fantastic lady.
And she's the manager.
She reminds me a little of me.
Alright, Mom.
Thank you very much. But I'm going to thank him more. Thank you for telling your dad. Yeah?
Because he really likes the voice. Alright, good job. All the best.
It's two managers, two boss ladies linking up.
And she run the show.
Oh, okay. So what is Burna Boy like?
Actually, he's really a very pleasant person.
Oh, okay.
And very, so he has this dynamic personality.
Okay.
He's talking to you and he pulls you in.
Oh, okay.
Really a nice guy. Very warm, very, he's big in stature.
Yeah.
And you think he's the kind of rough, but no, he's really just smooth. Very, very smooth.
Have you gotten to familiarize yourself with any of his songs? Because I barely know any. I only can vibe to it. I can't tell you any other words. Last. Track break fast. I eat the butter that she bought to. Nah, mananitato. Ananina. Something like that. That's all. It's really bad. Honorable Minister, you see, if there is a Rihanna concert in Jamaica, please to get somebody from your team to reach out to me. You must just sneak me in backstage. Something. I can't be like the person who like pat your face or something. I don't know. Like an iron like your dress. Something. Just bring me in the entourage.
My face already?
No, I can't do that. See here, I'm there. Okay? Oh, by the way, I want you to meet my mother. My mother said she always wanted to meet you. Come in, mommy. Say hi, man. Yeah.
It is great. Listen, so I spent the night at the concert and I met Burna Boy's mother, and now guess whose mother I'm meeting?
Duttyberry's mother. You see that? I'm just shocked. I never tell me say I used to manage my mother back in the day.
Leroy Sibbles manager at one time, right, Leroy? And many other artists.
So before I go, will you be at Sting?
From
I'm going to be at
the same
everything.
one who
Because I want to ask you,
Jack
because the thing that's
Scorpio
burning up on
last year,
social
this
media right
time,
now is the
he will be
Amarie versus
challenged
Queenie Clash.
by Nas,
So I don't know
the
if you know of them
girl
and who
power.
you would be bringing,
Girl
but
power
I feel like I'm going to work with Queenie. I don't know if you know.
Let's put it this way. Queenie, I'll make special for me, you know.
Oh, wow. No. Leave it there. All right, take care now. All the best.
All right,
Yeah,
it's
man.
good seeing you always.
Alright, so I'm here at the Rebel Salute 2023 launch with Azza. No, I heard her on stage, you know. I mean, I said this girl, she have a standout, remarkable voice. So I need to know more about her. So can you tell me more about who you are?
Hey, Duttyberry Wagwan, shout out to you and your listeners. I am Azza Lineage, up and, you know, like a young reggae artist,
Okay.
you know.
How you finding the industry so far?
I am not too much in, but
Yeah.
you know, we are doing the music and it's something that we have to do. So far, so good, you know.
Rasta only surrender to the sound system. Positive vibration, me a bring Rasta now, giving the no system. Nice of the place when I.
How would you describe your sound and the type of music that you offer?
All right, my sound is roots, uncut, raw, reggae dancehall, you know. I learned from the pioneers, the makers of the music, you know. So, yeah, man, original and authentic.
Okay, so where can people find you if they want to, you know, support you, check out your music? Just give the public all of that now.
You can look for me across all social media platforms at AZALINEAGE. Yeah, man.
You hear that? Enough people look out for her now, because I tell you, once you hear her, you go on support. All right, big up yourself in the Azza.
Hold them Duttyberry, give
All
thanks.
right, cool.
Wanna check it from the start and give my edit. Alphabetic it from. Oh, hey,
Have your food. Some people just come and Rebel Salute for the food, you know. Some people just come for the music. Some people just come for the camaraderie. Some people just come for the seaside. You know what I mean? Everybody have their space at Rebel Salute. And now, I'm going to start telling you who we have. We have for Friday night, and you can give me a round of applause if you like them. We have Big Mountain on Friday night. The guys them will sing, ooh, baby, I love you. Them one day. See? We also have Third World. Third World. We have Third World on that night. We also have Tony Rebel. Over there. Tony Rebel. We also have Tony Rebel. Yeah. We have Yagsta. We have Terry Linen. Yes. We have the nominated Grammy Award Brethren Kabaka Pyramid. Yes. We also have a female Lady G. Yes. We have Dwayne Stevenson. Dwayne Stevenson is in the house. Could you put your hands together for Dwayne Stevenson, please? We also have Pluto Shervington and Ernest Smith. When them all go tune for tune. See? We have a little youth. We have some young youth, you know. We have Ritical, Nation Boss. We also have the Abyssinians. And we have the great Gangali, Louis Culture. Yeah, man. We also have Skylar King. Yeah, Horace Sandy. And we have Glenn Washington. We have Papa Michi. Every day the girl dress up in her trousers. But yeah, we have him. And we have Bling Dong. We have the Raja. We have Yeza Rebel. We also have Falcon. We have Raphael, Rock Top, and we have a female band out of England named Akuba. Female, all female. We also have the great Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. Friday night, that's enough. You don't hear that yet. A Friday night, that. Put your hands together for Friday night now if you like it. Saturday night now. Seeing who we have. We have Stonebwoy, we have Stonebwoy from Ghana. We also have Luciana, TJ, Tamoy Jones. We have TJ. We have Iwin. We have the Prophet, Capleton. We have Sanchez too. Wow. We have Moses Davis, aka Beanie Man. Wow. Yeah. We also have I-Octane, Leroy Sibless. We have Chesedek, leave the trees and make them live. Yeah, man. We also have George Nooks, Leroy Gibbons. Yo, never need a love away. Yeah, man. We have Leroy Gibbons, Errol Dunkley. We have Josie Wales. Wow. Josie Wales, man. We also have Johnny Clark. And we have T.O.K. We have Imaru Tafari. I'm in the house. So now put your hands together for Imaru Tafari. We have Daviana. Daviana is my picnic that. We also have Tanzi. We also have Naki Whaler. Naki Whaler is Bonnie Whaler's son. We have Christopher Ellis, Alton Ellis' son. Wow. We have Rasai. We have 5 Star. We have Asa Lineage. We have Echo Minot. You remember Echo Minot? We have Echo Minot is in the house. You know, put your hands together for Echo Minot. Echo Minot is in the house. We have John Holt's son, Junior Holt. We have Kevoy Clark. We have Brimstone. We have Nizy Boy. And a host of artists.
Alright, so I'm here at the Rebel Salute launch with my friend Patricia K. Now, what brings you here? Come here, you have new role, new position and all of these things.
Yes, so I'm give me a big position, marketing and corporate communications manager at Massey. I have to show my good side. And we actually have come on as the newest sponsor of Rebel Salute this year, and I'm very excited about that.
So earlier up there, you know, just come in as a little one-time, one data plan type of sponsor.
No.
How many years you agreed to be on board for?
We actually have signed a first agreement for 3 years because Massey is the kind of company where there's so many people who don't know about Massey. We've been around for 100 years.
Yeah.
But we've been so big about pushing our brands and pushing, people. So you know Jergens.
Yeah.
You don't necessarily know that Massey distributes Jergens. You know En Familia don't necessarily know that Massey distributes that. But there's so many things that we do.
All right. So what particular product? Because you have it in the ad right now. Will you be premiering and giving to the people at Rebel Salute 2023?
So you know Tony has a rule, right? No meat, no alcohol.
Oh yes. We all know of that rule.
And he doesn't play with it. And we honor and respect that, right? So we think, okay, what do we have in our portfolio that aligns with the show?
Yeah.
So this is called Ginseng Up.
Oh, okay. Jinx. Oh, perfect. From here, Jinx, you think, you know them strung up Rasta man. Yeah, that them you know, yeah.
Absolutely. So we want people to taste it, to experience it. A lot of the products are 95% juice. So it's really just sparkling juice in a lot of instances with ginseng. And we want people to experience it. So it'll be at the show.
So what has been the responses so far from the persons who have tried the ginseng up?
Absolutely fantastic. I'm happy to say that a lot of people have come multiple times over and said, oh, there's ginseng up, let me try it. Ginseng up, it's high in ginseng content. It really is a balance booster. It's a refresher. And it also is going to make sure that your thirst is thoroughly quenched. Try it.
Keys and card, clear! Rebel Salute! With the nicest corner we can look at life. I smoke a knife for someone to drink at life. I rush them, let them whip and all them cook at life. Some send them on them with the balance.
I have to say to you. You want a one song? That's it. Yeah, if you want a one song from it. Alright, so now come take off this off of the stage then. If me have to give the people them a one song. I'm gonna take off my glasses. Hey, the people them from the gym there, you know. And they under there? Here down there? Hey, guess what them tell me say? Them tell me say, me for work out hard. That you hear? Then make sure tell me say, when I go Rebel Salute, me have to take off my shirt. If I don't take off my shirt, then I go buckle me. It's a lucky thing we don't bring no buckle in a Rebel Salute. But I don't know if I can't take off my shirt yet. But you know, the time will come. In Browsy, the time will come when we will do that, man. Hold them for me right. So after me done do that the presentation to you, you not clap me? You not put on the hands together for me? I'm gonna tell you all of the artists that we are there on Rebel Salute. Alright. Now have a new tune. Go on do the new tune. You can't take the new tune? Yo, that mean you're the man, so that mean a 2 tune there for gonna do that. Alright, so me I gonna do 2 tune then. Let me do the Dream Girl first. Hey! Dream girl, dream girl, dream girl. My dream girl. To my dream girl. To my dream girl. Last night I get a dream, yeah. Sweet, sweet feeling. Have this dream, pull up. Run it from the top. My girl, my girl, my girl. My dream girl. Hey. To my dream girl. To my dream girl. Last night they get a dream, yeah. Sweet, sweet feeling. And this dream girl. To my dream girl.